Hello friends, I am Laura Villafani, or Miss Villa, some people call me. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you the inside of the sketchbook that changed my daily art journey. I have been painting and drawing since I can remember. For me, drawing and painting meant using a piece of canvas, a wood panel, or big pieces of paper. I use sketchbooks, but only to jot down ideas, do some rough sketches for a painting, ideas for cake decorating, and list of things I had to do. Then the year 2020 came about and changed everything. I still remember March 9th, 2020, when COVID craziness started here in Houston. Back then, I was baking and decorating cakes. I loved it. Everything came into a halt because of COVID. I had to stop and close my business. With nothing else to do, my days became dull and boring, and I felt the anxiety of all that was going on around the world. At the age of 55, I found I had enough time to get into the internet. As I was surfing the internet, I started finding individuals and websites offering art lessons. I got into it right away. I then started discovering artists showing their how-tos in YouTube. My daily art journey changed forever. This sketchbook shows the early stage of what would become my new way of expressing myself, of self-discovery, a way of healing, of helping my anxiety, documenting my progress, and learning from others. Most of the drawings were made from reference photos I found online, where my only expectation was to get back into drawing and breaking free from all those canvases, wood panels, and big pieces of paper. It would hold everything together in one book, and I would use less space in my art room. We begin on September 14th, 2020.